What's up with you all? Hope you all are doing fantastic and mind-blowing. Hi everyone, this is Neha. You guys also know me as Luna, the Moon Tarot. Today's energy check will be a timeless reading for you, wherein if you guys are going through a situationship, a relationship trouble, your person leaving you, ghosting you, no contact, third party issues, and you want to know the answers, then you have landed at the right place. Let's see what the cards has to say, what the cards and what energies I'll be channeling today, and with who this particular reading is going to resonate. You know the drill already. Just connect to my energies by liking this particular video, because energy exchange is important, and in the comment section drop I claim. So this is a timeless reading. No matter whenever you see it, it is meant to find you at the time when you see it. All right. And in case if you're looking for a one-on-one consultation, a personalized session with me, you are open to book through WhatsApp. The link is in the bio. And in case if you want to DM me, you can do so as well. At the same point of time, in case you want to know the spell work that you can go for, then you can, to help me reunite you with your person, I will be happy to book a spell work for you as well. All right. So let's see. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and take your person's name and hit the like button. And let's see what the energies has to say. Oh my God. The very first 2 cards that came out is 2 of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. This is such a lovely reading. I can already sense it, because the first card always sets the tone of the energy of the entire spread or the reading. So I do see that something is telling me that you are about to get into a very stable relationship of your life, a relationship that is going to bring a lot of peace, security, stability, and a lot of love and emotions. You will be full of love. You will feel as if nobody else can ever get you the way this person gets you. It is a soulmate union, it is a soulmate connection, and you will feel that this person or this energy is quite familiar, as if you're with somebody you've known for years and years and years. But the fact is, this particular connection is carried on from your past life. This person is going to enter, or you are already talking with this person, in a relationship with this person right now. I do see that this person is going to give you a lot of stability, a lot of security. I also feel that somewhere down the line, with the Queen of Pentacles, this person wants a stable life with you, somebody who is ready to commit as well for marriage. So, by the way guys, nowadays it is very difficult to find marriage material, so in case if you have one, hold it. Okay, hold them tight, do not let them go. All right. So I do see that there is somebody in your life for sure that you have your eyes upon, and this is somebody who you have waited for your entire life. Somebody who is from a well-to-do family, or you are somebody who's earning well. But having said that, I do see that there is a sense of weight here. Something tells me that there is a waiting game going on in this particular connection. Either you're waiting for them to commit to you, you're waiting for them to express it to you, or you're waiting for them to actually tell you, or probably you're waiting for their call, text, or something to come up. It can be a no contact situation as well right now. Somebody who gave you a lot of stability, somebody who gave you a lot of security, right now it seems like crickets everywhere. That is going to be for very few of you. It is not going to resonate with majority, because majority, I feel that there is somebody who is going to enter or has already entered. But there is waiting for a phone call, text, or there is a waiting for expression of their love or something of that sort. I do see with the 4 of Pentacles, somebody is hiding their emotions, either you or your person. Somebody definitely is hiding the emotions over here. I see with the 4 of Pentacles, you know, the energy is all blocked up, either your energy or their energy, the energy is all blocked up. With the Six of Swords, again, I feel that somewhere down the line you want to, you know, be with this person, you want to have a life with this person, but in a very calmer way. Okay, in a very calmer way. I feel that something in this particular situation, I feel that with the Six of Swords, in the past probably your life hasn't been, your love life specifically hasn't been that great, but since the time this person has entered, your love life has become very good. Good in the sense, you feel very calm whenever you are around them, you feel very safe, you feel very secure whenever you are around them or they are around you. I feel that, you know, with the Six of Swords, in this particular situation, I do see that, you know, you have gone through a lot in your love life, probably a bad love life, a bad past, or probably this person has been through that, and right now because they are recovering, you know, they are coming out of it, they are realizing that until unless they do not get over from their past, they would not be able to propose to you, and that is why this entire situation is taking time to heal, and this entire situation, you know, is taking a lot of time to materialize in your life. However, having said that, even though they are trying to move on from their past, and if they have not told you, because I see some things, some feelings are hidden here, so I feel that, you know, even if they have not disclosed it to you or they have not told you this thing, I feel that somewhere down the line, they are going to tell you this thing, because right now they are self-conflicted. They are conflicts. There are so many things and troubles that they are fighting with. They are demons that they are fighting with. They want to come out of it, but they are very sure that you are the one they want to be with. You are the one they feel like home with. See, I told you. Nine of Swords, juggling with their own demons, juggling with their own thought process, very conflicted, somebody who's not even able to sleep at night properly. Wheel of Fortune, something which tells me is stuck up in the air, not able to make sense, but there are so many things which right now is not making any sense in their life. They're trying to juggle, they're trying to fight it all out, because at the end of the day, they see you as somebody who is theirs forever. Okay, theirs forever, but because they are stuck in their mind because of their past, they are not able to, they are unable to come forward and give you this commitment that they really have been planning in their mind. The only issue is, because of their past, they are horrified, they are so stuck in their mind, you know, they are so they are, you know, self victimizing themselves by thinking of 10,000 different things which actually went wrong in their past relationship, which right now they are trying to fix and come out from, they can heal, they are trying to heal from, so that they can be a better person for you, they can come forward and they can be, and they can prove to be a better person for you here. The King of Wands yet again tells me that there has been a lot of back and forth in this particular connection, and you are sick and tired of this. There is a lot of passion, no doubt about it. There is a lot of passion, but since there has been a lot of back and forth, they are feeling very sick and tired of this particular. You are feeling very sorry. You are feeling very sick and tired of this back and forth, and you want this connection. You know, this person to express it to you, to be with you, to tell you how they feel and where this particular connection is headed towards. I see past regrets. This person definitely is, you know, grieving over their past loss, past regrets, and past relationships which they haven't been able to come out from. Okay, they have made blunders, they have made multiple mistakes, because of which they do not have courage to get into another relationship without realizing what went wrong and what was their role, so that they can fix it and they can become a better person before they step in with you, because they fear losing you. What if you also end the connection, you also move on, and what if, you know, things go wrong again? They miss you, even though they may not have expressed it to you, but they really miss you. Okay, they are missing you, they are missing your energies, they are missing your talks, the way you cared for them, the way you nurtured them. There are so many memories that they are, you know, back and forth going, replaying in their mind. And something tells me that, you know, right now, you know, they, in their mind, they have thought of few things to clear them first, and then they want to come forward in this particular connection, and they are being very stubborn about it. They don't want to give up on their thought process. They are conflicted, we know about it. uh, are they working on it? Yes, they are trying to work on it. Do they regret what they have done in their past relationship, or maybe in this particular relationship, the way they treated you? Yes, they did. And now they are facing their own karma, and now they are getting ready to come forward, to come out and apologize to you, or apologize to how they were acting in their past relationship. They feel bad about it. They are getting all messed up in their mind. What if this relationship also they screw it up? What will happen? All those questions are actually haunting them. With the Queen of Wands, they are highly attracted towards you. They are pulled towards you. They are pulled towards your positive aura, your energy, and they want to be with you. All right, they want to heal first. They want to have that healing first. They want to balance things out. They want to get the peace back in their life, so that whenever they make an appearance in your life, they are at a better place, and you both enjoy the relationship rather than them just coming and then leaving, just coming and then leaving. They feel bad about how they have been behaving with you. They feel bad about how they have behaved with you. They don't want to put you in that particular zone wherein you also start accusing them of things. They want to heal, they want to balance, they want to keep patience, they want to come forward and give you the real offer, the real love. They are sick and tired of things around them. They are feeling heartbroken because of whatever has happened in their past. And you know why? This person loves you, but at the same point of time, because of whatever has happened in the past, that is sort of stopping them to come forward. Okay, that is stopping them to come forward, because they still feel that pain in their heart somewhere, that they are not good enough to be in any relationship. And until unless they don't work on it, they will never be good enough for anyone. And now they are getting scared of losing you, and that is why they have been quite on and off, because in their mind they have not been able to figure it out or understand what they really have to do, right? So in their next actions, I do see that this person is going to come forward, because somewhere down the line you are their wish fulfillment. You are their wish fulfillment, and they know that you have waited enough, and they know that they have dwelled on their past enough. And now is the time when they are going to take an action. They are going to come out of that toxic pattern, of that obsession, of that toxic pattern, and they are going to propose to you. They are thinking of proposing to you. They are stalking you right now. They're keeping an eye on you, and they want to be with you right now. Okay, they want to be with you right now. They want to invest in this particular relationship. They want to balance this relationship. They want to have a equal give and take in this relationship, because they know that you have invested a lot in this particular relationship. Just because of their confusion and lot many things going on in their mind, and the things that they were they had in their mind, they couldn't come forward. But now is the time when they want to come forward. They want to propose to you, and in the upcoming month I do see that happening. In the upcoming days itself, it is going to happen. In the upcoming 10 days from when you watch this particular video, I see that this person is going to come forward, come out of the shell, come out of all the bad past issues and challenges that they were facing, and they are going to come forward, tell you the reason, disclose you the reason, and they are going to propose to you. They are going to tell you how much they love you and they cannot do without you. So in case if this reading resonates with you, you are free to book a reading with me to get an insight what's going on in your person's mind. And if you want me to help you reunite with your person, then you can anytime book a reading or book a spell with me for reconciliation communication spell. And in case if you want to heal your relationship and remove all the negativity, then you can go for the healing as well. So let me help you, let me help you reunite with your person, or your person to come forth and express how much they love you. So I'm going to see you in next video. Bye bye guys, take care.